Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Basics of Cell Scripting. In the previous video, already we have discussed how we can use the case statement using pattern in the scripting. In this video, we will discuss how we can use the range in place of pattern in the case conditions. So at first, open the file, that is hello.sh, and that is the script already we have worked on the previous video for the pattern in the case conditions. Suppose at that moment we have a multi-level if-else condition for the grade achieved by the student for getting the test score. So what should be the script at that moment? And for the grade, there should be no particular number, there should be a range. Suppose from 90 to 100 the grade achieved is outstanding. That means if the student bagged 90, he or she is awarded with the grade O or outstanding, and also he or she is bagged with the marks 100, he or she also getting or awarding the same grade O. So there is a range. Any student achieving from 90 to 100 is getting the grade O. So in that case, what should be the script in the cell script? So here at first remove all the lines in the script. And here at first, suppose we are providing echo, then minus E, and just asking the student what is your test score, and here a question mark, and after that suppose /C, then end of double quote. And here we are just taking the input from the user read, and suppose the variable name is here score. Now we are providing the case statement, and here case, then we are providing $score, then the keyword in, and after that suppose 100, then a space, and we are providing the end parenthesis, then the statement suppose echo, and here we are providing grade O. And as you know, that must be end with the double quote and also end with the double semicolon sign. And for the other grades, we are once again copying the two lines and just pasting it. So here after that, what should be the way? So that is 9. So that means when the marks he or she or the student is getting 100, he is awarding with the grade O. But from 90 to 99, that is the way. Just write 9, after that the starting of the square bracket and the range from 0 to 9, end of square bracket. So that means the student is getting 90, that is also the range here, or he or she is getting 99, the range is given here, and here we are providing the grade suppose as E. So what should happen if the range is from 80 to 89? So here provide the number or the digit as 8, starting of the square bracket, then the 0, then 0 to 9, that means from 80 to 89, and here provide the grade as suppose A. After that from 70 to 79. So here that one is the way, as you know. So the grade would be here the B. And for the other grades, once again we are providing the values. So from 60 to 69, the grade is here, suppose C. And after that, suppose here 5, and for 50 to 59, the grade is, sorry, the 0 must be there, the grade is D. And after that, any other number, if he or she is providing, that should be treated as the fail. So for that, use the wildcard, that is asterisk and then the parenthesis, and as usual echo, that means the statement. And suppose here we are providing grade F. If he or she is providing more than 100, suppose the full marks is 100, so that is also treated as wrong or grade F. But other than from 50 to 100, any other number the student is providing, that should be treated as fail. So what should be the last statement? As you know, that would be the ESAC. Ctrl S to save the file. Let us now execute the script. So here we are providing bash hello.sh. Press enter. Now what is your test code? Suppose we are providing the student has found 100. So the result is grade O. Once again, suppose it is 90. So grade E. Once again, suppose 91. It is grade E. Once again, it is 99. So grade E. If we provide 50, grade must be D. So if we provide 77, so their grade must be B. So if we provide less than 50, what should be the output? So here we are providing 49. So grade F. And if we provide the value as suppose more than 100, so here what is your test code? Suppose 101. That is also treating as a grade F. Now whatever we have checked, that is for the 2-digit. So what should be the way if we want to check the case conditions for the 3-digit? So here suppose the first one is the 1000. That means not for any particular subject. Suppose we want to find out the complete result for the complete exam. So here that is from 90 to 9, and then once again from 0 to 9. Same as for 80 to 9 and also from 0 to 9. That means from 800 to 899, from 900 to 999. That is the same for the others. And also here we are providing 0 to 9, and also from 500 to 599. So Ctrl S to save the file, and let's check what happens with the output. So now if we provide 101, that means that is less than 599, so the grade should be F. So here we are providing 101, so grade is F. But if we provide 500, so the result would be grade D. Same as for 599, same as for 598, that falls in between 500 and 599, so grade D. What should be the result for the marks 1000, that is grade O. For any other, that is suppose 777, so that should be grade B, because that falls in between that range. In the same way, we can also use any digit number to check the range for the case of case conditions. Now another small shell script to check whether input letter is small or capital. So here suppose we are changing the script once again, and here we are changing the echo as input the letter, and here we are changing the variable name also from Scott to LETT, and here that must be $LETT in. Now here we are changing. Here we have to check the letter is small or capital. So here another range, small a to small z or z, and here the echo must be like that, small letter. Okay, same as if it is for the checking of the capital letters, so that is from capital A to capital Z or Z, and here the output would be capital letter. But any other character, what should be the output? And for that, here we are deleting the other options, and for the wildcard we can type or give the output invalid character, suppose. So the case condition ends with the ESAC. Ctrl S to save the file, and let's check what should be the output here. Ctrl L to clear the screen. Bash hello.sh. Now we are providing small a, so that is small letter. Once again we are providing capital A, sorry, invalid character. Why? Because here we have not provided capital A, another sign or invalid letter is given here. So here we are providing now small a, not sorry, small a, that is capital A. So the output must be capital letter. So already for the invalid character we have checked, but once again we are checking, suppose hash sign. So what should be the output? Invalid character. For any other letter, suppose small c, so that is small letter. For capital C, that is the output capital letter. Now for some, the problem may arise when the capital letter is input but output is not as desired. In that case, you may add one line to the script, and that one line must be $lang is equal to capital C. Let's check what happens with the output. Once again, Ctrl L, then the line here, it is giving us the output as the language is given here, that is English. Practically that is the error found for someone when the language is not available in the distribution. Here the English is already provided in the distribution, or we are using the English language, so there would be no problem for the output, and that is same as capital A. So that is the way how we can use the ranges in shell script using the case conditions. If you find the video is useful, then you can like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel.